KevG weather overview. Now, we've got the classic spring fall temperature pattern that we see in both of those seasons around here. You've got folks out on the island with temperatures in the mid and upper 60s with that wind blowing out of the south off the cooler Atlantic waters. And then look at the disparity. Mid and upper 70s inland. I mean, you're just seeing some wild temperature disparities over the area. And this is indicative of what happens, in the spring and fall months. Now, I did see the NOAA winter forecast along with some other forecasts. I'm going to be doing a video in the next couple of weeks. If you're a fan of snow, as you know I am, you may be crying a lot this winter. So that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to do my homework, and we'll see what's going on. But winter forecasts looking pretty warm around these parts for the most part, just like we had last year. So we'll see how it all turns out. But just to give you a heads up, because I saw that went out today from NOAA. Now, tomorrow, a big disparity in temperatures. We are looking at highs 15 to 20 degrees below where they were today. And that's due to the oncoming storm. And this front is going to really make our weather quite miserable tomorrow. If we look at it off the Penn State EWOL site, it looks like this rain is headed right for the tri-state area as it barrels in from Ohio and Indiana. And as it gets here, the front will tend to slow down. And a wave or two of weak low pressure will actually move along that front and provide us with a good soaking rain for tomorrow. And I think that'll be the biggest rainfall that we get over the next 7 days, judging on the latest forecast. We'll probably have to wait until next Friday for another bout of rain, but we've done pretty well around here, and we've alleviated some of the dry conditions that we've had, even in places like Suffolk County. So as we look at the evolution off of the NAM model, this is for Friday morning, tomorrow morning, and showers are going to build in from west to east, but they're going to slowly do so, particularly for areas well out on the island. It may take all day for rain to build in there, but for New York City, Nassau, western Connecticut, and the Hudson Valley, you're going to see on and off rain begin to develop by mid-morning into the early parts of the afternoon. And then as that front slows down, we're going to have waves of low pressure, weak ones anyway, right along that front. And it'll give us moderate to heavy rain at times through a good portion of Friday night into early Saturday. And you can see how slowly that front moves. Here we are all the way out to almost dawn on Saturday, and we still have leftover showers around here. But this will give us a nice weekend once it's gone, because high pressure will assert itself and temperatures will kick back up into the 60s, especially for Sunday. That'll be the warmer of the 2 days. So if we look back at the temperatures, this is Friday once again, much cooler with periods of rain. Saturday, I think we can do a little bit better than 60, especially if we shake the cloud cover early on. It may take all day for certain parts of the area to break those clouds, but all in all, a rather dry day Saturday and again Sunday. But Sunday, the temperatures start to tick back up in the right direction where we want them to be. Monday, even a nicer day with highs in the mid-60s. Tuesday, much of the same with highs in the mid and upper 60s. We'll have to watch a front go through on Tuesday, but that should give us no real issues as the rain stays to the north. So we'll take a look at that if need be later on. But Wednesday, once again, we're looking at pretty decent weather around here once we get rid of the rain for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night.